Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color and white color. So kids, now you draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. And first we draw A, and here is blue color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And here is red color. F for fish, F for fan. G for God, G for glass. Kids, now H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use yellow color. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, now M for moon, M for mango. And use green color. N for nose, N for nest. It's now O for orange, O for octopus. And here is black color. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for quill. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, now draw S for sun, S for snake. And here is blue color. T for teacher, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for ankle. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids, now W for wallet, W for watch. And here is red color. X for x-ray, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.